Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Victor. If you don't want to lose any videos of Mundo Astronômico, subscribe and activate the ring. The ring is very important. Today we are going to see layers, but it's a new approach on layers. Look at this. To initiate, we are going to copy 3 times the layer. We have this here, the Lagoon Nebula, Messier 8. In the superior one, we are going to use curves. Put here and here, put here. Okay. Now we are going to use right, merge down, perfect. Now we are going to use layers. We are going to use layer mask, and we are going to use review all. Amazing. We don't want the sprite so bright, so we are going to use the brush tool. Remember, the brush tool with a black point, black 000, and reduce the size, increase a little bit, and put here. Now the image is ready. Oh, more or less. The image could be better. Let's do filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and the image will be better. Now we use a radius of 45 and do OK and merge down. Look at the difference. The difference is significant. It's a very big difference. Now we are going to use again just to fixate curves. So increase the curves. Create a background. Let's create a background. Another background. Let's do the review all. It's the review all, and put the black paint tool and put here and remove that here. Perfect. Now we are going to use filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and do a radius, a significant radius. Let's try to preview. Amazing. Okay. Merge down. Look at the difference. I like this better than the other one. The image is going to be fantastic. This is good for almost every image. The Messier 42, Orion Nebula, Messier 43, Messier 16, the pillars of creation. This technique is for every these options. This was a first fast video. I hope that you like it, and now you know how to use layer mask. Oh, let's do right all. Let's do it. Delete that. Let's create a new copy. Let's do curves. Merge down. Look, let's put here in the background. The original image will be above the another. So we are going to use layer mask, hide all, And now we are going to use a white brush tool, and select the region that we want to appear more black. And if you Gaussian blur, you select the radius of the Gaussian blur. This is the original, and this is the total one. You need to use a median one. Here, okay, merge down. Look at the difference. Thank you guys. I hope that you like it. If you are not subscribed to the Mundo Astronômico channel, subscribe. Thank you guys. This is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor.